It's against.
Did you keep your seat? You've made your point. You've made your point. Keep your seat. Did you do that?
Honorable Speaker, I all along I've been knowing Muguka as part of the crops, and me saying
Honorable
that the Honorable,
did you do that?
I did not do that.
Okay,
I did not do that, Honorable.
Proceed and be relevant.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Thank you very much. I think I've answered Muguka. But, sorry, the Muguka point. But my point in conclusion, Honorable Speaker, is that this character of the members of the Council of Governors, Honorable Speaker, spending huge amount of money in unnecessary things should actually stop. Because with this allocation, what we've actually done is to devolve corruption. We've devolved, we've created some more demigods across the counties. And even as we support them, Honorable Speaker, I think it's very important for us or for the government to be very keen on the way this money is spent. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Honorable Barto.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the chance to also make my contribution. And I would wish to thank the chairs who spearheaded this exercise until the agreement such that devolution was upheld and money was increased. Mr. Speaker, the drafters of the devolution knew that devolution was going to go a great way in developing our counties, our constituencies, our wards. Mr. Speaker, I hope that now this money has been appropriated for devolution, the increment. Let's see ECT teachers getting employed. Let's see infrastructural development. Let's see construction of schools. Let's see our mothers, our women, not going to the rivers to fetch water. We want to see them. We want to see water in our counties. Let's see the function of health. Let's see our health centers, our dispensaries, our hospitals fully operational, and we have enough staff to support our members of our communities. Let's see that devolution actually is working, and let the services be felt, because now there is money. And finally, Mr. Speaker, so that I can donate time to my colleague here, is I hope that the money will be used prudently. Let not be used in a way which is not appropriate. Let us not see corruption in our counties, but let's see our governors fold their sleeves and go to work and give services to the wananchi of Kenya. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Honorable Kiara.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I also want to thank the mediation committee led by the very able chair of Budget and Appropriation and the co-chair from the Senate. Honorable Speaker, I want to straight away say the concept of devolution is the best thing that could have happened in this country. Honorable Speaker, we want to underscore the fact that devolution came so that services can be taken closer to the people. Honorable Speaker, I want to particularly call out the counties that are doing an exemplary job in ensuring that all the devolved services reach the citizens of this country. But, Honorable Speaker, as much as we say devolution, we had more resources, because resources must follow the devolved functions. Honorable Speaker, we are perturbed because instead of this money, a huge chunk of it going to the intended purpose, Honorable Speaker, we can see massive wastage in our counties. Honorable Speaker, it is the high time that we call out to the relevant authorities so that they can do a thorough audit and ensure that development comes first, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, and this can only happen, Honorable Speaker, if we ensure that...
Honorable Kawanjiku, today you are so jumpy and active. What is out of order?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I think reading the mood of the House that majority of us have agreed that it is important for us to allocate, starting on order 95, Mr. Speaker, that we allocate money for the county government to a tune of about 400 billion.
That is not what 95 says.
Yes, I'm on it, Mr. Speaker, and understanding that the mood of the House, we now I beseech the Speaker to call upon the mover to reply so that at least we can be able to deal with this matter once and for all. I support Mr. Speaker. We call the mover to reply.
Thank you. The Honorable Ikiara, 30 seconds so that we finalize this.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for your wisdom and wise consideration. Honorable Speaker, I'm saying let us ensure that there is more money in development as opposed to the current expenditure, where governors are attributed to add more employees in the county at the expense of development. Honorable Speaker, I want to call out, as we allow more money to the counties, let this money be used prudently, Honorable Speaker, so that we can realize the fruits of devolution. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I thank His Excellency, the President of this Republic, because he is in the forefront of championing devolution. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Members, is it the mood of the House that we allow the mover to reply? The Honorable Ndindi Nyoro.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. As I reply, I want to request the honorable members to come in the afternoon. We will be debating a very weighty matter, that is the budget of 24-25. Honorable Speaker, I thank all the members who have contributed. I beg to reply and request for the deferment of the putting of the question in accordance to Article 53.3, Honorable Speaker, of the Standing Orders, deferment to afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. The question on this matter will be put the next time is put up for consideration. Oh, members, the time now being 1 p.m. This House stands adjourned until today, Wednesday, the 5th of June 2024, at 2:30 p.m.